Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS workbook. Open your EVS workbook, volume 1, page number 22. All of you open your EVS workbook, page number 22. Okay, I am giving notes to you. Our country, world. Identify the marked two regions in India map and mention the names of the corresponding states. What you have to do here, in purple color and in red color, two regions are shaded with different colors. What you have to do, it is the Central India and the Northeast India are shaded. The two regions, what are the two regions? Central India and Northeastern India are shaded. Now we have to write the region and what are the states are located in that region. Okay, we have to write that. We have to identify the regions. We have to write the names of the regions and the states which are located in that regions. Here, red color. What is the reason in red color? In the red color, Central India. Red. In the red color, Central India is there. Central India is shaded with a red color. What are the states are located? This is the region. This is the region states. The states are Madhya Pradesh. The states are in the Central India are Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next, Northeastern India. Northeastern India. Northeastern India is in purple color. And the states are located in Northeastern India are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Sikkim. These are the northeastern states. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Sikkim. These are the northeastern states. Comment your answer. These states are located with the purple color. I'm rubbing, Amma. Write fastly. Rubbing.
Not last one.
Next, here map is given. Identify the neighboring countries of India with the help of given clues. India map is given. We have to write the neighboring countries. We have to write the neighboring countries. Take the help of page number 38 in the course book. Take the help of course book, page number 38. Okay, take the help of course book, page number 38. Will you complete that? Will you complete? Take the help of the course book, page number 38 and complete this. Complete the neighboring countries. Write the neighboring countries. Amma, write the neighboring countries by looking into the course book, page number 38. That's your work. You are able to do. By following the course book, page number 38, you must complete the neighboring countries in the map, in the India map. Now, I am giving these answers. First one, western boundary. Western boundary. West side. What is there? West side. West side. What is there? Which country is there? Pakistan. Write down the country. Pakistan. Pakistan. West side of our India. Next, small country with the 6 letters in its name. What is a small country? Here, Bhutan is a small country with the 6 letters. It is also neighboring country. Bhutan is the neighboring country, small country with 6 letters. Write down. Second one is Bhutan. Second one is Bhutan. Next, between eastern and northeastern India. Between eastern, చూడండి ఇక్కడ, between eastern and northeastern India. Eastern and northeastern of India is Bangladesh. 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 Next, north of Himalayas. North of Himalayas, which are located? Himalayas are here. North to the Himalayas, which country is there? China. Write down China. North of Himalayas is China country. Next, island country. What is island country? Island means a land which is surrounded by 4 sides water or all sides water. There is no landform. A country which is covered with the all sides water. Here, which is covered with the all sides water? Sri Lanka. Write down Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Next, northwest of India. Northwest of India is Afghanistan. Write down Afghanistan. 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 Next, borders of Nagaland and Manipur states are here. Myanmar. Write down Myanmar. Next, Himalayan kingdom. Himalayan kingdom is Nepal. Nepal is covered with the Himalayas. So it is called as Himalayan Kingdom. Okay, complete your answers. Western boundary of India is Pakistan, and small country with 6 letters in its name is the Bhutan, and between eastern and northeastern India is Bangladesh, and north of Himalayas is China, and island country is Sri Lanka, northwest of India Afghanistan, border of Nagaland and Manipur are Myanmar. Borders of Nagaland and Manipur is Myanmar. Himalayan kingdom is Nepal. Okay? Complete your answers. I'm rubbing them. Next, match the country to its capital or language. Match the country to its capital or language. Pakistan. Pakistan, Islamabad. First one is Pakistan. No, Pakistan, Islamabad. D. Islamabad. Next, Myanmar. Burmese. Myanmar, Burmese. D. Myanmar, Burmese. D. China, Beijing. China, Beijing. A. A. Sri Lanka, Sinhalese. Sinhalese. Fourth one is C. Sri Lanka, Sinhalese. Fourth one C. Fifth one Nepal, Nepalese. Nepal, Nepalese. F. Nepal, Nepalese. F. Bangladesh, Bengali. H. Bangladesh, Bengali. H. Bhutan, Thimphu. Bhutan, Thimphu. E. Afghanistan, Kabul. Afghanistan, Kabul. G. Afghanistan, Kabul. First one B, second one D, third one A, fourth one C, fifth one F, sixth one H, seventh one E, eighth one G. Okay, complete your answers. Next. I'm rubbing Amma. Take next page. Amma. Here locate the continents and oceans in the given world map and name them. This is also homework for you. Because in our course book, page number 42. In the course book, page number 42. In the course book, page number 42, all the oceans and the continents are located. Okay, what is your work? You have to complete. You have to complete this page. You have to complete the 24th page by looking at the course book page number 42. Page number 42. In the page number 42, all the oceans and continents are located. You have to complete this page. That is your homework. Okay? You have to do. That you are able to complete. Next. Come to next page. Match the following. Come to next page. Match the following. Largest. Here Australia, Asia, Europe, Antarctica Antarctica, South America, North America, Africa. 7 continents are given. Okay. Now we have to match with their highlights. Largest. What is the largest continent? Largest continent is Asia. Match to Asia. I'll write on the board. Largest, smallest, coldest, richest, hottest, and the Andes and Lake Superior. Lake Superior. Here continents are given: Australia and Asia, Europe, Antarctica, South America, and North America, Africa. Here no countries. Australia, Indonesia, France, Egypt, Brazil, USA. These are the countries. Now see, what is the largest continent? What is the largest continent? Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Next, what is the smallest continent? Australia. Match to Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. What is the coldest continent? Antarctica. Antarctica is a frozen continent. Antarctica is the frozen continent. It is too cold. Coldest continent. Nobody live in that continent. No countries are there. Next, richest continent is Europe. What is the richest continent? Europe. Hottest continent. Which is the hottest continent? Africa. Africa is the hottest continent. The Andes is located in South America. It's located in South America. Lake Superior is located in North America. Okay. Largest continent Asia, smallest continent Australia, coldest continent Antarctica, richest continent Europe, hottest continent Africa, the Andes located in South America, Lake Superior is located in North America. Next, Australia. Amma, Australia only. It is the continent and also country. Australia. Asia. Indonesia is one of the country in Asia. Indonesia is one of the country in Asia. Next, Europe. France. France is one of the country in Europe. France is one of the country in Europe. Antarctica. Amma, no countries. It is the frozen continent. Antarctica. No countries. Frozen continent. Next, South America. Brazil. Brazil is one of the country in South America. North America, USA. USA is one of the country in North America. Africa, Egypt. Egypt is one of the country in Africa. No countries in Antarctica. Australia is the country and continent. Indonesia is one of Asian country. France is Egyptian country. Sorry, France is European country. Egypt is African country. Brazil is South American country. USA is North American country. Okay? I'm rubbing Amma. Next, what do you infer from this activity? Yesterday I explained you this. Amma, while in the first class it is dipped, and in the second class why the egg is floating? Did you do this experiment yesterday? నేను మీకు ఈ లెసన్ చెప్పాను కదా, మీరు ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేశారా? Because this is a fresh water, that's what the egg is dipping. This is the salt water, that's what the egg is floating. Okay? Write down. In the first glass, the egg has sunk, it's dipped, sunk to the or dipped. The egg has dipped to the bottom, whereas in the second glass, the egg is floating. The egg is floating. It can be inferred. That the first glass consists of fresh water. First glass consists of fresh water, and the second glass consists of salt water. The density of salt water, is more than that of fresh water. In the first glass, the egg has dipped into the bottom, whereas in the second glass, the egg is floating. it can be inferred that the first glass consists of fresh water and the second glass consists of salt water. The density of salt water is more than that of fresh water. Okay? Complete your notes. Complete your notes. Shall I wrap? Write fast. In the first glass, the egg has dipped to the bottom, whereas in the second glass, the egg is floating. It can be inferred that the first glass consists of fresh water and the second glass consists of salt water. The density of salt water is more than that of fresh water. Rubbing. Next. Take next phrase. Amma. Crosswords and downwards. Here continents are given. Here 7 continents are given. Here, what is this? What is this continent? First one. What is a continent in green color? Amma, in our course book, which continent is located with the green color? This is North America. Where is downwards? Write down. Down. North America. Will you complete this, sir? Will you complete this puzzle by following the course book? You must follow the course book and complete this puzzle. Okay? You are able to do. Take the help of course book. Take the help of the course book and identify the colors and complete the puzzle. Okay? Now next. Take next quiz. The largest continent. First one. Sorry, the largest country. What's the largest country? Russia. Russia is the largest country. Write down Russia. Next, island continent. Island continent is continent, not country. Island continent is Australia. Write down Australia. Next, the most populous country. Most populous country is China. Popular country is China. Most populous country is China. Frozen country, Antarctica. What's the frozen country? Antarctica. Frozen country is Antarctica. Next, the smallest country. Largest country is Russia. Smallest country is Vatican City. Vatican. Smallest country is Vatican. The most populous language in the world. Most populous language is English. Populous language is English. Most spoken language is modern Chinese. ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడే లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏమో చైనా లాంగ్వేజ్. ఎక్కువ అందరూ అంటే పాపులర్ అయిన లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏమో ఇంగ్లీష్. Everybody are interested to speak this language. The smallest ocean, Arctic. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Next, dark continent. Dark continent is Africa. Africa is the dark continent. Africa. The largest desert is Sahara Desert in Africa. Largest desert is Sahara. The warmest ocean is Indian Ocean. Warmest ocean is Indian Ocean. Warmest ocean is Indian Ocean. The longest river, Nile River. Longest river is Nile River. The most widely spoken language in India. Is Hindi. In India is Hindi. In the world, modern Chinese. In India, Hindi. Next. The most over no? Sorry, the last. Where I missed Amma? North continent. Wait. The most popular language in the world, English. Wait, Nana. Once check your answers, everybody. The largest country, Russia. The largest country is Russia. And the island continent is Australia. One is missed, Nana. Wait, check your answers. The most populous country, China. And the largest ocean, Pacific. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. And the fourth one, largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. It is missed. Frozen continent is Antarctica. And the smallest country is Vatican. Smallest country is Vatican. The most popular language in the world is English. And this is 8th one, Nana. Here Pacific Ocean is missed, sorry. 8th one. The smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. And the dark continent is Africa. Largest desert is Sahara. And 11th one, the warmest ocean is Indian Ocean. And the longest river is Nile River. The most widely spoken language in India is Hindi. Next, 14th one. 14th one. Largest island. Largest island is Greenland. Largest island is Greenland. Next, the highest mountain is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Next, the coldest ocean is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Two names are there. The biggest river carries more water. Amazon. Amazon river carries more water. Next, the most widely spoken language in the world, Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese. The deepest ocean point, Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench. Next, man float on water in this sea. What is the sea? Dead Sea. Okay. Today's class is completed, Anna. Today I am giving homework to you. Your homework is complete the pages of 23 and 24, 25. 23, 24 pages ni map ni. India map undi kada. India map is given and oceans and continents are given. Complete that pages and also read 27 page as a homework. 27 page in workbook is as the homework. EVS homework. Okay. Bye. Today's class is completed. Bye.